Hey friends, if you encounter ERR connection closed error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check your network cables and restart your router and then reconnect. Okay, this is very simple. Make sure that the cables are connected, switch off the router, switch off the computer. Now switch on the router, make sure that the lights are stable, then switch on the computer. The next solution is to remove any proxy on your system, and I'll show you how this is done correctly. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command inet cpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the internet connections window. Go to the connections tab and then click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy for your server is unchecked. Click on OK and then close the window. Next is reset network. Now, why reset network? Because we can flush the DNS, reset TCP/IP, and release the IP address, renew the IP address. We can reset the WinSock, and all of this is covered at once when you reset the network. So, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left-hand side. Select Advanced Network Settings, click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now and finally on Yes. Obviously, you'll have to restart the computer after this. The next solution is to use Google's public DNS. Okay, so here's what you can do. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and then select Properties. And then you can double click on Internet Protocol version 4. If you find some this option here for the DNS server address, click on use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK once again. The next solution is to temporarily disable antivirus and firewall. So as for antivirus, if you're using Windows Defender, you do not need to disable it. But if you're using a third-party antivirus software, then please disable it. And as for firewall, search for Windows Defender. Okay. Windows Defender firewall and open it. Go to turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Make sure that it is checked at turn off Windows Defender for both the public and private network. Click on OK and then try doing the job. If it works, well and good. And once the job is done, return to the same page, turn it on for both and then click on OK. And the last solution is obviously to disable the browser extensions. Now, I'll show you for Microsoft Edge. It's similar for Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select extensions, go to manage extensions, and if you find all of these problematic extensions here, disable them. If this solves a problem, remove them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.